Hi, I'm Mr. Gomez. I'm going to be performing skill number 5, denture care. Knock. Hi, I'm here to help you with your denture care. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands. I'm gonna come over here and check if this is Ethel. This is Miss Ethel. Okay, provide some privacy. I'm gonna go ahead and raise the bed. After I do that, I'm gonna grab my supplies. First thing I wanna grab is my barrier. So I'll put my barrier ready on the bedside table. After I do that, I have a barrier, I have a clothes protector, I have a liner, some towel, paper towel to pat dry the emesis basin, one emesis basin, toothbrush, toothpaste, pair of gloves, a lid, and my sink is right here. Okay, after I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my clothes protector. I'll put the clothes protector on the resident, Miss Ethel. After I do that, I'm gonna put my pair of gloves. Okay, my gloves are on. I'm gonna grab my liner, put that on the sink. It's in the sink, everyone. So I'll go ahead and grab my toothpaste and my toothbrush and my toothpaste, put that toothpaste on the toothbrush. And then after I do that, I will go ahead and grab the dentures from Miss Ethel with my gloves on. Okay, got the dentures now. I'll go ahead and grab my toothbrush and the dentures and start brushing all the denture surfaces with cold water. Very cold water. Okay, I'm washing the dentures with cold water. Clean, 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 clean. Once I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the emesis basin. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the toothbrush. Put that over here, down here. I'm gonna go ahead and dump. Put some clean water in there, dump again, rinse, rinse, dump. Fill it up with cold water. Put it over here. Clean the lid with water, cold water. Grab my dentures, put them in the cup, and I could actually put a tablet in there to keep them clean. I'm gonna go ahead and dump any fluids that are in here in the emesis basin. Go ahead and rinse it, dump it, rinse it. Then I will go ahead and pat dry. Pat dry the emesis basin, put this down. Put my toothbrush in there because it's clean. Make sure you ID the dentures. My denture cup with the dentures. Toothpaste, this will go into the designated area. So I'll go ahead and put that in the designated area. I'll come over here, grab the clothes protector, clean Mrs. Ethel's face if I had to. Put this here. This will go into the trash. Grab all the dirty linen and the liner, which I'll wring out and put in here. Grab all my dirty linen, put this in the dirty linen. By the way, I do have my gloves on. I would doff my gloves, pinch it in the middle, put it in the trash, wash my hands, come back over here. I will lower the bed, give the call light with reach, undo privacy, and I completed denture care.